Okay, today we can discuss the problem A of Codeforces round 841 division 2. So problem name is Joy takes money. So let us understand the problem statement. Joy is low on money. His friend Chandler wants to lend Joy some money but can't give him directly as Joy is too proud of himself to accept it. So in order to trick him, Chandler asks Joy to play a game. Chandler gives Joy an array A1 to A1 A2 up to AN where n is greater than and equal to 2 and A of I is greater than or equal to 1. Joy can perform the following operation on the array any number of times. Take two indices I and j, where I and j is from 1 to n and j is greater than I. Choose two integers x and y such that x into y equals to ai into aj. Replace ai by x and aj by y. In the end, Joy will get the money equal to the sum of the elements of the final array. Find the maximum amount of money answer Joy can get, but print 2022 into answer. Okay, so let us understand the concept of this question. First, take the input. So the input is uh, size of array is 3. Size of array is 3 and the elements of array are 2, 3 and 2. So what we can do is it is given that if we choose two indices like this is 0 index, a 1, it is 2. So if we choose these two indices 0 and 1, so 2 into 3 equal to 6, and we can choose x and y to be, we can choose x equals to 1 and y should be 6, so that we can get x into y equals to 2 into 3 equals to 6. So if we replace this 2 with 1 and this 3 with 6, so we can get the maximum of, so we can maximize the second element of this array, and the same we can proceed further, like we take 3 and 2 and maximum of, like so the array becomes 162. Then we take 6 and 2, so the array becomes 1 and 6 into 2 is 12, so the previous element will be 1 and this element will become 12, so total sum of the element becomes 14. Now see the, first we can have to delete it. uh, Now see the second example. It is given size of array is 2 and the elements are 1 and 3. We multiply 1 and 3, so this will always be the same, 1 and 3, because 3 into 1 is 3, so the sum is 4, and we multiply is with 2022 and print the answer. So we can see our code is, so simply in our code, first we take the input of n and take the input of array, then we initialize a variable temp equal to 0, and we run a loop from I equal to 1 to I is less than n. We initialize temp equal to array of I into array of I minus 1, that we can see, already seen, that we have take multiply of 2 and 3. This becomes 6. So array of 1 becomes 6 and array of 0 becomes 1. So we can proceed like this, and the last element becomes the multiplication of all the elements, like 2 into 3 into 2. So last element becomes 12 and all the elements become 1. So we print cout array of n minus 1 plus the left size of the array into 2022, and we get the required answer. Okay, thank you.